In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon TR7120 PIXMA printer to your Wi-Fi network to be able to print and scan using your phone or your computer. First, turn on your printer and let's go on the display right here. On the main display, you need to select Settings. So using these arrows, navigate until you get to Settings. Press OK. Then we need to select the first option, LAN Settings. Press OK. You're going to select the first option, which is Wi-Fi. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi Setup. Go down and select Manual Connect. Press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are currently around this printer. So you're going to get a list to choose from. With the arrows, select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. Press OK again and enter the password using the tiny keyboard on the screen. If your password has capital letters, go on the lower left side, this small icon, and it will switch to capital letters. If your password has numbers and symbols on the lower left side, completely on the corner, you'll be able to switch the keyboard. Once you're done typing, select OK on the lower right side and wait. You'll get the confirmation message connected to the wireless router once it will be completed. Press OK and now press the home button. We are now connected. As you see, the Wi-Fi logo over there is showing exactly this. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below and check my Amazon links in the description of this video where I have put links towards the replacement ink compatible with this printer, the original one, some paper, and even other accessories. See you in the next one.